Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Alluring and adventurous, it's ready to cater to your daring nature. It comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver explains the cabin is as well turned out as you'd expect. A veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.